Welcome back to Olathe Public Schools. It's Renee Hokenuttle here, and thank you for joining me. If it's your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, you know how this works. So let's get started with learning how to make comments in Google Docs. So in this, I'm going to show you how to make comments. I'm going to show you students' example work. Students, I'm going to show you how to share your Google Doc with your teacher so that they don't have to download it every time to make a comment. And then we're going to showcase how students and teachers can use the comment feature and also to do redesign with the SAMR model. Now, we always provide the login. So here you go. It's Google Docs. So remember that it's at students.olatheschools.com with your network ID. Okay, let's get started. So let's go into Google. Let me show you how to do that. So my picture here always defaults to my personal. So make sure you select your school. And then the little waffle here, we're going to go to our drive. And I'm going to show you first, students, how to share your document. So I'm going to take one that's mine, College and Career Ready. If you take personal finance with me, you'll see this. And see, I made a comment already. And students can actually click resolve so they can respond back or they can fix it and resubmit it. But I am going to add a comment. So it's really simple. You just highlight where you want to put a comment and you just add a comment. Nicely done. Okay, that's great. So I've added that comment. Now this is one that I own, so it's easy for me to add the comment, but I'm going to show you one that's been shared with me. So teachers, you'll go to shared with me because your students are going to share it with you. And let me find one that has not. Let's check this one out. Argentina poster, which is great. I know that this has not been shared with me because I do not have a comment feature here. I'm going to actually grab a different one here, this econ poster, because this is a great one to use for any class. Okay, so up here should be a comment feature, but there isn't one because the student has not shared it. And so requesting access, don't do it. Students need to click on the share link. And down here, they get the option of choosing anyone can see it, which is what you want to do, students. So I am unable to do comments on this. Now, I could always, as a teacher, make a copy or download it, but I don't want to do that. I want to make sure our students are doing this correctly. So students, you just go back to whatever document. I'm going to go back to my drive. I want to share this with you, so I'm going to open with Google Docs and share. So this share feature is in all docs and share. So with this, I can share with specific people, but in my class, we do the redesign. So I like students to see other students' work. So I go down to change here and I can copy the link, but right now it says anyone that has it defaults as a viewer, anyone can view it. You need to change it to commenter. Students changes to commenter. Now, anyone at the district can comment and you're done. And now you can share it with your teacher. So you would click share again and you would put your teacher's name and add it. All right, that is how simple it is to add comments in Google Docs. I want to go back to my PowerPoint to share some resources with you on classroom applications. So using the SAMR model, you simply can have students complete all their work in Google Docs and teachers can comment. To augment, students embed hyperlinks of resources you used or cool videos you found. Modification, students record a summary of your research and attach it to your document. This is a great summative assessment. And redesign, you can use the dictation tool to write your papers. So you speak, it's talk to text. You can also collaborate with a whole class by sharing the link on your LMS website or other platform. And here is how to add comments in a written version for you. Well, I want to thank you for joining me. I hope this was helpful and stay tuned for more great videos.